Hello, how are you today? Today's topic I'm going to talk about the law of obedience. Law of obedience. So, are you uh, following the laws and you doing the things according to the laws? If not, you might be working against of yourself. So, this is what I'm going to talk about today. My name is Anita Bansal. I am a consultant of Thinking into Result. My mentor is Bob Proctor and Sandy Galgar. And this is what I learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor and Sandy Galgar. Everything to do with your own mind and the universal laws. If you're not working with the universal laws or with your own mind, you might be working against of yourself. Doesn't matter what goals you have, the laws works according to. And if we are working according to the laws, and that means we are working for ourselves. So law of obedience, are you working the law of obedience? Are you following that law? The law of obedience is you working with the harmony of laws. You're working the nature of law. Whatever is the nature of law, because everything works according to the law. There is a nature of laws, and sometimes we're not even aware of what is the nature of laws. There is a law. Laws are working all the time in the universal world. Doesn't matter what part of your world in are you, they work exactly the same. Doesn't matter what race you are, what human being you are, which part of the world you are, and the laws are working according to, doesn't matter what nationality you are. So they work exactly the same. And what I'm trying to say, the laws work for everybody same. There's no difference what nationality or what part of the world you are. So today I'm talking about the law of obedience. Are we really following the law of obedience? Law of obedience means working according the nature of law. So the obedience is are we really following the law? Are we really bowing that law, or we going against of the law? The law of obedience is working with the harmony of law. So are we really working in a harmony of laws according to the nature? So if we are, then everything going to work for you in the harmony of laws. So you don't have to make too much efforts, because you are living in the harmony and you are following the nature according to the nature. So that means everything going to work for you according to the nature, definitely, because it's a law. If you are part of as your human mind, as a human being, you are following the nature, and that means you are following the law. So law of obedience is a law of harmony. So if you are following that nature of the law, so that means you're already following the law. So everything will happen according to. So you don't have to make a lot of efforts and then stress about it, because you are going around the laws as a nature. So law of obedience, are you, if you are following that, so that means you are already following that law and the law of harmony. So if you're already working in harmony and the nature of law, that means you are working according to the law. So the law of obedience. So definitely you're going to achieve your goals. Doesn't matter what goals you have, goals around your business or the job, or if you maybe you want to do as a purpose work, something you want to do, have or create. Doesn't matter what goals you have, if you're following the law of obedience, definitely you are following the according to the law. So this is what I'm trying to share with you, and this is what I learned from my mentor Bob Proctor. He was very good with the working with the mind, and as you know, everything works according to the mind and the universal laws. So today you know and you have to follow the law of obedience as a harmony of law. So that means you are already working in a harmony of laws and according to the laws. So please ask questions if you still not sure about this law, and ask a question, the answer is going to be there, and but you have to make the effort to ask questions, and send me the message on Messenger, and I can, then we can talk about the lesson. And thank you for watching the YouTube, because all I'm doing just facilitating this lesson. This information is coming direct from my mentor, Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And this information, Bob taught this information more than 60 years, because it works, because I have used it, I'm still using it, and it's working every day for me. And it's so beautiful to know that once you know, then you can work within the information, and yeah, with the less efforts. And thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. So hopefully you're going to follow the law of obedience. Thank you and bye.